In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Gojo's Nuke in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to perform a Hollow Nuke, also known as Gojo's Nuke, you will have to first get the Awakened form and have access to his Awakened moveset. So the best way to do this, of course, is through combat. Just hit other players, and this bar is going to start getting filled up, as you can see here. Once it is completely filled, you will be able to activate your Awakened form and have access to the Awakened moveset, which basically improves all of your pre-existing actions here. Now, once you are inside of the Awakened form, you will have to do two actions in quick succession, and the first action has to kill someone else. So, as you know, you have Lapse Blue if you are not awakened. Once you are awakened, that becomes Lapse Blue Max. That action is going to shoot a blue orb in the direction that you are looking. It's going to destroy everything in its path, but most importantly, it's going to go away after a couple of seconds. However, if that orb kills someone, so basically if someone is low HP and you shoot the Lapse Blue orb towards them, instead of going away after a couple of seconds, it is just going to float in place. If you kill someone with the orb and then it is floating into place, you can follow it up with a Hollow Purple. And if you shoot a Hollow Purple orb towards the Lapse Blue Max Blue orb and they touch, it is going to trigger Gojo's Nuke. So all that you have to do is kill someone with Lapse Blue Max, the blue orb, and once it is floating in place, just shoot a Hollow Purple orb towards it. If both of them touch, the nuke is going to be triggered instantly. And as you might expect, this is going to be true for every single platform. So even though I am recording this video on my PC, the process is going to be exactly the same on mobile. And if you are playing using a controller or if you are playing on console, just make sure that you get the Awakened form of 6 Eyes. And as long as you kill someone with Lapse Blue Max and you shoot a Hollow Purple orb towards the blue orb that is currently floating that kills someone, Gojo's Nuke will be triggered. I hope I was able to help you on how to do Gojo's Nuke in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.